In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find related emails in Outlook. If your inbox is busy, knowing how to quickly surface messages that belong together can save a lot of time and help you keep projects on track. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Outlook. Select the official Outlook mail site to launch the web version of your inbox. If you're prompted to sign in, just use your usual account credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your folders on the left, your message list in the middle, and most importantly for this task, the search bar across the top. Click into the search bar. This is where you'll enter the details that connect your related emails. Think about what all those messages have in common. That might be the sender's name, a subject phrase, a topic, a company name, or even a project keyword. For example, if you're tracking messages from a specific colleague, typing their name will pull up threads where they appear. If several emails share a subject line, like a quarterly update or meeting notes, use that phrase to gather them. And if the topic is a product, event, or internal code name, enter that keyword to bring the whole conversation together. A few tips will make your search even sharper. Put quotation marks around exact phrases to focus the results, like quarterly update. If you know who sent the messages, try including the sender's name. Outlook often recognizes common contacts as you type and will suggest them. Selecting a suggestion helps you avoid typos. You can also guide Outlook with simple cues such as subject, followed by a word or phrase to target the subject line specifically. Combine a couple of meaningful terms when you need to narrow things down, and don't be afraid to iterate. Add or remove a keyword and press enter to refine the list until you're seeing just what you need. When the results appear, Outlook will typically group messages by conversation, so emails that are part of the same thread stay together. Open any result to review the entire exchange and confirm you've captured the full context. If you need to return to your full inbox, clear the search by selecting the X in the search bar or by deleting your query. That's all it takes. Use the search bar to describe what ties your emails together: sender, subject, topic, company, or name, and let Outlook do the heavy lifting. With a little practice, you'll find related messages in seconds and keep your workflow smooth and organized.